Hey guys, welcome to FirstBuild. I'm Chris Neighbor, Director of Product Development.
And I'm Laura Hammond, the Commercial Director, and I won a lifetime supply of M&Ms on a game show in the 80s. And we have 4 main goals at FirstBuild. 1, we're focused on breaking even. We want to launch 12 new products a year. Once you graduate to GE Appliances or another partner, and we have a community metric for social engagement.
We're going to get with the team and hear what they have to say about how we're doing on those goals.
Hey FirstBuild community, I was just hanging out up here because we crushed our goals for 2022. We more than doubled the number of you guys who are reading our FirstBuild newsletter, which is kind of awesome. Not because I write it, that too, but also because we send out our weekly video, we share new ideas that are submitted from the community, and we send out surveys so that you can tell us if we are building the right inventions for you.
Wow.
So through our Blitz process, we validated an idea even outside the appliance industry. We identified something in the bass fishing world. We put the idea out there, it got validated. Currently we're building them. We've actually sold 7 of these units out to beta test. We're currently working with those beta testers and getting feedback and seeing where we can take this next and how big of a product we can make this.
In September we had the MakerFaire. FirstBuild was a big part of that. We built a great booth. We had a lot of feedback from our customers and some other makers in the community. Got a lot of feedback about our products, and we also got to build the Wheel of Ideas. I had a great time.
Arden. All right, so this has been floating around FirstBuild for quite a while now, several years. We crowdfunded early this year, $750,000, so people want it. It makes great food. We're optimizing the design still. Thank you to all the backers. Arden is going to hit your doorstep in late summer 2023.
So this is the talking laundry product we've been working on here at FirstBuild for a little while. This actually came in from the community originally. But basically this allows visually impaired people to have the independence to be able to do the laundry by themselves like they never have been able to before. As the user changes settings on the machine, it will speak the settings so that they're aware of the things that change, and they can be able to do the laundry themselves without having to have someone help them, which is a huge, huge deal. It makes such an impact in their life.
So if you haven't heard, FirstBuild hit it big. That's right, the big time. The old Hollywood. FirstBuild and this guy were both on the History Channel show More Power with Tim Allen. The team came together, we made a magnet table, a job site microwave, we made an automatic air shower, and of course, the screw sorting jiggler.
You guys remember Mella. It was a super successful crowdfund for FirstBuild, but what's even cooler is we're building them right here in our MakerFactory. The MakerFactory allows us to create review units super fast, so Mella was able to go out to companies like Good Housekeeping, Food and Wine, Epicurious, and Men's Journal. And just recently, we got an awesome write-up in Forbes magazine about the Mella.
I can't even imagine what next year is going to bring. It's going to be amazing!